If you run React server components or Next.js, there's a new bug you need to treat like an incident. React2Shell. It's a max-severity, unauthenticated remote code execution, meaning a single crafty request can potentially run code on your server. React disclosed CVE 2025-55182, nicknamed React2Shell. It targets React server components, specifically the flight protocol used by React server functions. And Next.js can be impacted downstream and tracks that exposure as another CVE. We'll flash it somewhere on screen. Now, 3 reasons this is especially dangerous. 1, it's unauthenticated. No login needed. Also, it's one request exploitability, meaning very easy to automate. And there's already a public POC, and researchers report near 100% success against default configurations. So, expect scanning. A lot of it. In our latest article, Sysdig's threat research team calls out these affected React RCE packages in certain React 19 versions. So React server DOM variants like webpack, turbopack, and parcel. And it's not just custom apps. A standard create next app production build is vulnerable out of the box. If an attacker gets code execution, things escalate fast. Now they can steal secrets like credentials, tokens, sensitive user data. They can stay hidden by planting a backdoor or a web shell. They can also move sideways, pivoting deeper into your environment. And finally, they can go for the big hit, ransomware, encrypt, extort, and destroy operations. Detection-wise, Sysdig threat research team reinforces a super practical approach. Catch unexpected commands spawned by a web server, which is exactly what you see during many RCE chains. They provide a Falco rule pattern that looks for process execution events and flags suspicious commands when the parent process is tied to things like Next.js or other RCE frameworks. And they note you may also see nearby detections fire, like reverse shell behaviors, depending on what the attacker tries next. Temporary mitigations do exist. WF protections have been rolled out across providers like Cloudflare, Google Cloud Armor, Vercel, and Firebase hosting and app hosting. But, and this is important, they can be bypassed. So treat them like a seatbelt, definitely not the brakes. So here's the bottom line. Patching is the only fix. Sysdig lists fixed versions for both their React server components and Next.js. Go get them. And if you're on Canary builds, follow their guidance to move back to stable where needed. So there you have it. Patch immediately, use WF rules as a temporary buffer, and most importantly, add runtime detections. As usual, thanks for watching and stay safe out there.